We have been really happy with this Nature 2 Fusion Soft Pool Chlorinator, and today I want to show you how to clean and or replace this salt cell. So first off, what you want to do is turn off your pool pump and then isolate or close the valves. So I'm going to close these valves off so there's no water flowing to it. And then you just carefully, straight up, pull these prongs off. I like to clean them off if they are dirty. These are not dirty. Sometimes you get cobwebs in there and that sort of thing. Then these guys, you want to be real careful not to bend those. Then you just turn it lefty-loosey. Take your cap off and then just pull this straight up. And then this is your salt cell with this O-ring here. Don't lose that. What you're looking for is calcium buildup in this little spot right here. And right now, this is 1 month since I cleaned it last. There's absolutely no calcium. This is the beginning of the summer. We're running our chlorinator at 80% and it's still completely clean. And then also if you look in there, you're gonna see on those metal ridges, white calcium buildup, or in this case, they're completely clean. So if there was calcium buildup, you can do two things. You can take a screwdriver and very, very, very gently just tap away, scrape away at that calcium for it to come off, and then just rinse it off. Or if it's really dirty, you can fill up a bucket, half water, half muriatic acid, and then you will submerge the piece into the water just up to here. You'll see the bubbling happening on the calcium. You do not want to expose the neck and these prongs to the muriatic acid water mixture, just up to right here. Once the bubbling stops, it's stopped. Then take it. I always like to make sure my ring is clean. And then you just carefully slide it back in. And like I say, it's not going in right there. There's an orientation. It has to be the right way, and it just slips right in, so you can't mess that up. I like to then clean off the edge in case it's dirty. Then take your cap, screw it back on, snug, not over tightened. And then lastly, you're going to take these back. I don't think it matters which way it goes, but with the tightness of my cable, I know it's coming from this side, it's always going to line up that proper way. Then you line them back over the top, push down, and you have now cleaned or replaced this salt cell. These things are quite expensive. They do a great job. We've had ours just for 1 year. We've read a lot of reviews, and they seem to last a long time if you take care of it. So make sure you're cleaning it. I check mine once a month. Some people have to replace it and clean, not replace it, but clean it as often as every 2 weeks in certain situations. That's not been our case. It's hot out here. We're running ours at 80%, and it's been once a month, and it's almost completely clean every time we check it. So there you go. Hope that helps.